Innovative machines shaping the future of construction. Ever wondered how buildings are going up quicker and smarter? And this isn't a movie, this is real life. Well, let's get ready for some good stuff here because the construction industry is going through a revolution like never before. Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Tech, the place where we dive into the coolest corners of technology. And today, we're talking about some seriously cool stuff in the construction world. If you're as fascinated by construction magic as we are, hit that subscribe button and let's explore together. From big robots doing heavy lifting to 3D printers crafting the future of buildings, and all of it happening right now, trust me, you won't want to miss this. So let's get started with plastering robot with Acme equipment. This autonomous robot cement applicator is quick and accurate, saving time and labor. This robot spreads cement all by itself, saving a ton of time and effort. It's a game changer, effectively performing the work of approximately 8 workers simultaneously. Its autonomous capabilities make it a reliable and consistent performer, streamlining your construction processes and reducing labor costs. Perry Duo. This thing is a bundle of innovations. First off, these formwork pieces are like the Swiss Army knife of construction. You can use them for all sorts of jobs, from pouring foundations to building slabs. It's like one size fits it all, but for construction. And get this, they're made from this cool material called Polytech Composite, making each piece way lighter. That means no need for a crane when putting things together. It's like construction, but without the heavy lifting. Even if you're new on the construction block, these elements are designed so you won't mess up. And the screw fastening system keeps things quiet. Less noise means more peace and quiet, especially at night. And it's eco-friendly. The German experts say making these duo elements doesn't create any waste. It's like construction with a green thumbs up. Lightcast. Lightcast XY beam and block systems are superheroes in construction. They're super good at their job and don't cost a ton. They are magic beams and blocks that keep things warm and cozy, perfect for building stuff. Lightcast GT system are like ready-to-go puzzle pieces for the first floor, making building easy. These are the folks you want for quality and professional floor beams. They make construction work feel like a walk in the park. If you want your building to be strong and cool, Lightcast is the way to go. It's not just for now, it's perfect for the future of building things better and easier. Sugar Domicilo. Dome Technologies' Sugar Domicilo is a game changer for storing stuffs like proteins, sugar, salt, and fertilizer. These tall silo units are not just cool, but super practical. What makes them stand out? With a continuous layer of insulation, they keep everything dry, making storage worry-free and cost-effective. With climate control on board, your products are safe, secure, and snug. Cheaper, smarter storage has never been this sweet. Fuko Eco Mold. Now, let's talk about the Fuko Eco Mold in Japan. Local specialists there use this method for different materials, mainly concrete. They have special stamping forms that make it easy to create a neat and beautiful look, almost like paving stones. The molds in the video are 20 by 20 inches and can be connected if needed. The company offers 7 options with additional processing and coloring, making the concrete almost identical to paving stones. One great thing is that the coating doesn't leave any gaps, so weeds won't grow through it. Plus, the final cost is lower compared to using actual paving stones. It's a simple and cost-effective way to make spaces look good. CC Rolls. Concrete canvas, that is CC, was first created to be the tougher outer layer for concrete canvas shelters. But guess what? This turned into a superhero in modern construction and super handy for other things too. Now people use CC to stop erosion and keep weeds away in places like stormwater drains, ditches, and on slopes. Then came concrete canvas hydro, that is CCH, made just for lining stuff in the petrochemical world. It's like a special layer that keeps everything in place. And now, the newest member, CC Extra, that is CCX. It is the cool new addition to the CC family, made specially for big things like lining canals. It stops erosion and makes sure water doesn't sneak away where it shouldn't. It's like the superhero of the concrete canvas family, Bifusion. Here is a revolutionary invention we think can change the world of recycling altogether. This cool machine turns old plastic into something awesome called Biblock, a strong building material that doesn't break or fall apart. The best part? No cracks, no crumbles, just a robust answer to our plastic waste crisis. The company has this special way, kind of like a secret trick, to turn the plastic we throw away into this really good building material. Tilt-up construction. The Geoplan construction team has this amazing trick up their sleeves. It's called tilt-up. They use it to build big warehouses, and it's pretty cool. This tilt-up thing is making big wall pieces right where the building is going to be. They use wood shapes, strong steel, and concrete to make these panels. Once the walls are ready, they lift them up and put them on the ground. Each piece stands on a solid base, forming the outside of the building. They make sure everything is connected until the roof is on, holding it all together. It's like building with really big, strong Lego pieces. It's most commonly used for large-scale warehouses and distribution centers. You can use it anywhere it makes sense. ACO ground guard tiles, a 2-in-1 grid that solidifies the soil while also allowing water to flow smoothly. As a result, a grass or gravel area will always be visually appealing and will not flood after a rainstorm. The load-bearing capacity of 250 tons per square meter is sufficient for parking lots, campgrounds, and other areas with a high number of vehicles. The manufacturers have also prioritized environmental concerns by utilizing recycled polyethylene for the grid. The grids are joined together using a clip system. One pallet containing 112 pieces is enough for approximately 25 square meters. And given the size of today's parking lots, the manufacturers will have plenty of customers. 3D printing. One of the most groundbreaking innovations in construction is the adoption of 3D printing technology. This technique allows for the creation of complex building components layer by layer, reducing waste and construction time. Entire houses, bridges, and even skyscrapers can be 3D printed, offering a cost-effective and sustainable alternative to traditional construction methods. Now, here's why it's future-ready. It's not just about the wow factor. With 3D printing, construction becomes a breeze, opening doors to endless possibilities. Zellige tiles. Zellige tiles are from Morocco since the 10th century. These tiles started as tiny handmade mosaics, each crafted with love from raw clay. Back then, they were fancy and pricey. Originally, they were small and looked like a 3x3 cm mosaic. Each tile was handcrafted from raw clay and painted, so they were quite expensive. Today, they are much more affordable because the tiles are manufactured in factories, but handmade zellige remains popular. The cool thing? People are still crazy about the handmade one. And guess what? There are over 70 designs to choose from. These tiles aren't just sticking to Morocco, they're jet-setting to Europe too. It's like ancient art meeting future homes zellige, the tiles that never go out of style. Bubble deck. Check out this game changer in construction. It's called Bubble Deck and it's like the superhero of building methods. What's the secret sauce? Plastic balls. Yep, you heard it right. These magical spares help create biaxial voided slabs, making the whole construction lighter and way stronger. Just 2 pounds of plastic can kick out a whopping 221 pounds of concrete. Bubble Deck gives your foundation a break by reducing the load, cutting down on excavation work, and saving up to 30% on heating and a whopping 85% on cooling. Who's behind this genius? It's the brainchild of the Danish wizards at Bubble Deck International, spreading its magic in over 40 countries. And guess what? They've bagged more than 10 fancy awards from construction experts in Germany, Canada, and Malaysia. Spin Screed. In 2021, the US saw a whopping 1.6 million building permits. And guess what's making all that construction hustle even quicker? This nifty gadget right here. There is a lot of work in the construction area, and it can be done more quickly with specialized equipment such as this one. It's a simple and effective solution for screeding concrete. A rebar acts as an axis in the middle of the future construction. The manufacturer claims that even inexperienced workers can perform clean and accurate screeding. There are battery and fuel-powered versions available, with the later using a Honda engine. Roller lengths range from 1.2 to 6.7 meters. Unlike vibratory screeds, it offers higher final quality and a flatter surface. The two batteries of the electric version can be charged at the same time in just 30 minutes. The price is around $1,600. Velux EWR Flashing Insulating Set XDP Thermo. The creators of these new generation roof windows are pushing the boundaries of innovation. These windows not only let in awesome light and make your place look super cool, but also have a superhero power against leaks. No more worries about rain sneaking in. You get two cool ways to install them: the classic rooftop style or the deep down 40mm secret agent mode with the rule that it should be at least 15 degrees cool. It can be installed on slate roof tiles, roofing sheets, and other materials. Taking care of them is minimal too, requiring the removal of leaves and debris at least once a year and clearing snow in winter. Plus, they've got this cool combo of insulation, cladding, and a soft edge hugger that keeps your place cozy without messing with the rain's escape plan. Easy Flow Pipe. A modular septic tank is a super practical solution for standalone sewage and wastewater systems. It's made up of a perforated flexible pipe, special expanded polystyrene aggregate, and a geotextile mesh. Keeping it simple is the key to its success. These modules can be easily arranged in a single file, side by side, or stacked on top of each other. That means no more issues with obstacles in the working area. There are only two lengths, 1 and 3 meters. They are easy to transport and install, and even just one person can handle it. Plus, these septic tanks can grow or shrink depending on the project, thanks to their scalable design with a diameter of up to 46 centimeters. Connecting the modules is a piece of cake. Just snap them together. And here's the icing on the cake. They're made from recycled materials. The manufacturers and customers are not just solving sewage issues, they're also doing a solid for the planet by using these tanks. Simple, practical, and environmentally friendly. Thanks for joining us. If these innovations caught your interest, let us know in the comments which one you found most interesting. Also, are there any other innovative technologies you'd like us to explore? Share your thoughts and we'll see you in the next video.